Namaste everyone. As we are doing lot of asanas in Surya Namaskar, today I'm going to tell you about Ekpadasana, that is one leg posture. In this posture, we'll be getting steady mind and body. As we all know, steady mind and body is the primary thing in our life. If we get steady mind and body, automatically everything's resolved, or we get healthy body as well as mind. So neuromuscular coordination and concentration will give you this kind of steadiness. There are some techniques from which we can learn neuromuscular coordination and concentration. So Ekpadasana is one of them. So today we are going to learn about Ekpadasana, one leg posture. Now let's see how to perform Ekpadasana, one leg posture.
Namaste everyone. Starting position, stand straight, hands by your side, feet together. Now using your hands, lift your right leg and press the sole of your foot against the left thigh, inner thigh. And when you achieve the balance on the one leg, you may come into the prayer posture and focus at one point so that you don't sway, and be there for some time. Breathe normally. How to release? Just come down with your hands and legs very gently, and you may repeat this with the left leg. Now left leg onto the right inner thigh and press it properly so that you may achieve the balance. And come into the Namaste position, focus at one point and be there. Gradually increase the timing as much as you can. Just stay there so that your focus will increase. Thank you so much. Namaste.
As you have seen, there are little difficulties while performing this posture, so you can take wall support and perform this posture for some time. Then you will get that neuromuscular coordination, and then you will be able to perform very easily without wall support. So as we have seen how to perform, now let me tell you some benefits. But before that, you have to tell me what benefits you are getting in the comment box, or if you are getting any issues while performing this posture, you can ask any question in the comment box. I will reply. And now let me tell you how we are getting lot of benefits through this asana. There are three kinds of benefits: physical, therapeutic and psychological benefits. So let's see what physical benefits we are getting. It strengthens the muscle of your legs. It improves balance. It improves your alertness also because you are standing in one leg. Now therapeutic benefits. Isometric concentration strengthened in this posture. Now psychological benefits. It develops your sense of equilibrium. It sharpens your awareness as well as concentration. It keeps your mind in the present moment because you are standing in one leg. It calms the mind. Automatically you will have that calmness in the mind because you are in the present moment. We are always oscillating between past and future. So when we come in the present moment, automatically everything resolves. No disease will come into your life if you start living in the present moment. If you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel for the next coming videos, and share this video with your friends and family so that they can increase their concentration and focus. This is really good for kids. If you want your kids to perform better in studies, you can give them this asana to perform. Thank you so much. Namaste.